Alright, I'm Luis here at Sheepey, and today we're going to go ahead and show you how to make an intercooler. Let's go over here with Anthony. Let's go ahead and get you started, drawing and whatnot.
What's up guys, I'm Anthony, and today, like Louis said, we're going to be doing a breakdown of how to do intercoolers. So we pretty much start, I have this stencil here, pretty much trace it out, which I already did. This is what you want. And what we're going to see at the end, this is what you're going to want right here. Nice little intake, nice welds. So yeah, that's the first step. We draw it out and we take it to cut.
Always keep an eye on your fingers and where that blade's at. So here, we're just gonna go ahead. Obviously my cuts aren't all that great, so we're just gonna go ahead and make them a little bit more even to each other. Now we just go ahead and deburr. Before you go ahead and bend this, make sure that you line up the press brake or whatever you're bending with. I don't know. Just make sure both sides are even, or else you're gonna have something that doesn't sit very flat. And make sure they're always at a 90-degree angle. I'm nervous, man. I'm pre-opening the box, so I don't look like a in the video. Like, now that we got this, we got our core, and now we got to make a cap, or whatever you want to call it. All right, cool. So I just got done fitting this. You know, cool. I'm gonna go ahead and hand it over to Anthony. He's gonna tack one up. This is an idea of what it should look like.
Yeah, guys, this is what you want. After you tack everything up, just put little tacks, you know, ready for it to be welded on the outside.
And Nathan, he's polishing the core right now. All right, so this just basically eliminates any type of contamination on the core. It allows for a much better weld. Now it's ready to get drilled. My favorite part. Cholo's gone wild right here. Never seen a full weld. Today's the day. So for everyone that is wondering what that annoying noise is in the background, there it is. It's Anthony going to town on these cores. Look at him, look at him, look at him. He's mad. He's mad. Hey guys, you know, it is Friday. We didn't have time to finish that cooler, but here's the end product of a smaller Evo cooler. But you guys, boom, boom, boom. Wrap.
Haciendo su trabajo, perfumado.
Wait, I need a bottle. Cut. Too much. Too much.